Computers are everywhere. They are our helpful friends. We use them every day. They help us learn, work, and play. From smartphones to laptops, computers come in all shapes and sizes. But they all share some common parts. Let's learn about these parts together. Imagine a computer like a busy city. Just like a city has various parts working together to keep everything running smoothly, a computer has different components that perform specific tasks to ensure it operates efficiently. The CPU is like the city's brain. It's the central processing unit, responsible for making all the important decisions and calculations. Without it, the computer wouldn't know what to do. It processes information and tells other parts what to do. Think of it as the mayor of the city, directing traffic and ensuring everything runs smoothly. The RAM is like the city's short-term memory. It temporarily holds data that the CPU needs to access quickly, allowing for faster processing and multitasking. It stores information that the CPU needs quickly. Imagine it as a notepad where you jot down important notes that you need to refer to frequently. Think of it as a workspace for your computer. The more RAM you have, the larger the workspace, allowing you to run more applications simultaneously without slowing down. The hard drive is like the city's library. It stores all the information, from your operating system to your personal files, ensuring everything is saved and can be accessed when needed. It stores all the information, even when the computer is turned off. This includes your documents, photos, music, and any other data you want to keep safe. This includes your files, pictures, and music. Just like a library, it keeps everything organized and easily accessible whenever you need it. The motherboard is like the city's transportation system. It connects all the parts of the computer and lets them talk to each other, ensuring that data flows smoothly between components. It connects all the parts of the computer and lets them talk to each other. Without the motherboard, the CPU, RAM, hard drive, and other components wouldn't be able to communicate, and the computer wouldn't function. So, next time you use your computer, think of it as a bustling city, with each component playing a crucial role in keeping everything running smoothly. From the brainy CPU to the organized hard drive, every part is essential in making your computer the powerful tool it is. Let's say you're playing a game on your computer. You might not realize it, but several key components inside your machine are working together to make that experience possible. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is like the brain of your computer. It processes the game's instructions, making decisions and performing calculations at lightning speed. The RAM, or Random Access Memory, holds the game's current status. It temporarily stores data that the CPU needs quick access to, ensuring smooth gameplay and quick load times. The hard drive, or solid-state drive in modern systems, stores the game's files. This includes everything from the game's code to its graphics and sound files, and the motherboard is the backbone that connects everything together. It allows the CPU, RAM, and storage to communicate with each other, ensuring the game runs smoothly. Each component has a special job, and they all need to work in harmony. They work together to make the computer run efficiently, providing you with a seamless gaming experience. Understanding these parts and how they collaborate can help you troubleshoot issues, upgrade your system, and use your computer more effectively. Knowing how computers work is important in today's world. It's not just about being able to use them, but understanding their inner workings and potential. It's like understanding how to read. Just as literacy opens doors to knowledge and opportunities, computer literacy does the same in our digital age. It opens up a world of possibilities. You can troubleshoot problems, which can save you time and money. You can choose the right computer for your needs, making informed decisions based on your specific requirements and budget. And even learn to code. Coding is like learning a new language, one that allows you to create and innovate in the digital world. So keep exploring the world of computers. The more you learn, the more empowered you become to navigate and shape the future. It's full of exciting discoveries. From new software to groundbreaking technologies, there's always something new to explore and celebrate.